Ladies and gentlemen, today we're cracking open a legend. Hot Wheels 2024, the 90s series brings us the iconic 98 Subaru Impreza 22B-STi version, wrapped in a stunning matte white finish. This beast is steeped in rally history, and Hot Wheels has done fantastic packaging as usual. Back of the package, we can see manufacturer details and price. Let's get into it. Time to unbox and check the details. There it is, the legendary Impreza 22B-STi in all its glory. That matte white finish gives it an aggressive yet clean look, making it stand out in any collection. This is a legendary Japanese domestic market car, built in 1998 to celebrate Subaru's rally dominance, with only 400 units ever produced. So here it is. Let's talk about the first impression of this casting. This color choice is bold yet sleek. The matte white coat gives it a clean, modernized feel while maintaining that rugged performance aesthetic. Unlike glossy finishes, this matte application absorbs light rather than reflecting it, adding depth to the body lines and making the contours of the car more pronounced. In rear section, taillight details is there, but not painted. You can see exhaust pipe is there. Most important, its massive rally style wing. The spoiler sits tall and sharp, reflecting the original car's aerodynamic. Both sides of this car has rear view mirrors. The fine details are incredible, from the black wheels to the rally-inspired decals like Gravel Crew and Leeway Motorsports, paying homage to its racing heritage. The front bumper and grille mimic the real car's aerodynamic shape, complete with a signature hood scoop, an essential detail for the turbocharged Boxer engine. Painted headlights are there. Subaru logo is not clearly visible. I really like this tinted windows and the interior details. Now let's look at the plastic made chassis. Okay, so we can see Hot Wheels badging and drive shaft details along with exhaust pipe details. This grey color is matching with car body. Now let's check wheels and rims. I really like this smoky black rims. Absolutely perfect with this white body color. It also rolling nice. Let's do a roll test. Yeah, it is very smooth. And that's a wrap on this absolute rally legend. I really love this car and it's definitely staying in my collection. It's a must-have for any motorsport fan. If you enjoy iconic rides like this, hit that like button, subscribe. Let's keep the passion for speed alive. See you in the next one.